Here is our list of the top 5 best metal 3D printers you can get right now. The Desktop Metal Studio System is an office-friendly metal 3D printing solution designed for safe, easy in-house use without loose powders or hazardous solvents. It uses a streamlined two-step process: print the part, then sinter it. Supporting industrial-grade stainless steels like 17.4 pH and 316L, it enables engineers to design, print, and post-process with minimal training. Ideal for tooling, jigs, functional prototypes, and low-volume production, the system balances accessibility with high-quality output. While not inexpensive, its cost is justified by the convenience and effectiveness of its all-in-one design, making professional metal printing more attainable for smaller engineering teams. The Anycubic Kobra 2 Max is a budget-friendly 3D printer, ideal for beginners who want impressive capabilities without spending tens of thousands. While not a full metal printer, it supports metal-infused filaments like copper PLA and stainless steel PLA, offering a metallic look and added weight. Key features include a massive build volume, high-temperature all-metal hot end, and automatic bed leveling, enabling fast, reliable, and detailed prints. It's an accessible solution for creatives seeking metallic aesthetics or early-stage prototyping, combining ease of use with performance, making it a smart choice for those starting out in large format or visually striking 3D printing. The Creality Halot Mage Pro is a high-performance resin 3D printer, ideal for metal casting through the lost wax process. Designed for use with castable resins, it's perfect for artists, jewelers, and small-scale manufacturers seeking to produce high-precision molds that can be replaced with actual metal. It features lightning-fast curing, sharp detail resolution, and smart app control, making industrial-grade resin printing accessible in a compact user-friendly format. With its ability to deliver professional results in metal casting applications, the Halot Mage Pro is a top choice for anyone needing accurate detailed prints for jewelry, art, or small batch production. The Prusa SL1S brings the brand's renowned reliability to resin printing, tailored for professionals needing ultra-fine detail in fields like jewelry design, dentistry, and small metal parts. It offers fast exposure times, exceptional layer consistency, and seamless integration with the powerful Prusa Slicer software, making it a refined and efficient system. When combined with a metal casting setup, it forms an affordable professional-grade workflow for producing real metal components. Supported by Prusa's excellent customer service and active community, the SL1S stands out as a smart, dependable choice for serious makers and professionals seeking precision and quality in resin-based metal applications. The Sinterit Lisa X is a high-speed selective laser sintering printer that now supports true metal printing with its metal powder add-on. It uses metal polymer composites that, after debinding and sintering, become solid metal parts, offering an accessible metal printing solution without the complexity or cost of full industrial systems. Ideal for small businesses, engineering teams, and research labs, it combines smart powder handling, quick turnaround times, and a compact design. This makes it a powerful tool for prototyping and small batch production, providing advanced metal capabilities in a streamlined office-friendly package, suitable for professional applications.